Welcome back to the channel, travelers. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the most stunning, picturesque, and dreamlike destinations on Earth. Known for its snow-capped Alps, sparkling lakes, charming villages, and world-class cities, Switzerland offers some of the most breathtaking landscapes you'll ever witness. In this video, we'll explore 8 of the best places to visit in Switzerland, destinations that capture the true essence of natural beauty, adventure, culture, and unforgettable travel experiences. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the magic of Switzerland. Is Switzerland's largest city and one of the most vibrant cultural hubs in Europe, with its stunning old town streets, crystal clear Lake Zurich, and world-class shopping and dining. The city perfectly blends tradition with modern life. Travelers can stroll through Bahnhofstrasse, enjoy a boat ride across the lake, or explore the medieval architecture and charming cafes. Zurich is also an excellent starting point for day trips across Switzerland thanks to its well-connected transport system. Lucerne is a postcard-perfect city surrounded by mountains and centered around a gorgeous lake. Its iconic chapel bridge, medieval old town, and scenic waterfront make it a favorite among visitors. A trip to Lucerne isn't complete without taking the world's steepest carwheel railway up to Mount Bilitis or riding a cable car to Mount Titlis for panoramic alpine views. Lucerne offers the perfect balance of calm beauty and exciting adventures. Interlaken is the adventure capital of Switzerland and a dream destination for outdoor lovers. Located between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, the town offers some of the most dramatic natural scenery in the country. From paragliding over turquoise lakes to hiking through lush valleys, Interlaken is packed with thrilling activities. It also serves as a gateway to the Jungfrau region, home to some of the most spectacular alpine landscapes in Europe. Zermatt is home to the world-famous Matterhorn, one of the most photographed mountains on the planet. This charming car-free village offers a peaceful escape in the Swiss Alps, with cozy chalets, luxury resorts, and stunning mountain views at every corner. Travelers can enjoy world-class skiing, ride the Gornergrat Railway for breathtaking panoramas, or simply take in the serene beauty of this alpine wonderland. Zermatt is a must-visit for anyone seeking Swiss mountain magic. International city known for its luxury, culture, and stunning natural surroundings. Set beside the beautiful Lake Geneva and surrounded by snow-covered peaks, the city is home to the famous Jet d'Eau fountain, the United Nations headquarters, and numerous museums and parks. Visitors can enjoy lakeside walks, explore historical monuments, and taste world-class Swiss chocolate. Geneva offers a sophisticated and relaxing travel experience. Lauterbrunnen is one of the most breathtaking valleys in Europe, famous for its dramatic cliffs, peaceful meadows, and over 70 waterfalls. The star of the valley is the majestic Starbach Falls, cascading from nearly 300 meters. From Lauterbrunnen, travelers can take cable cars to Mürren or Wengen, charming mountain villages with extraordinary views. This valley feels like a scene straight out of a fairy tale and is a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Montreux is a scenic town located along the shores of Lake Geneva, surrounded by vineyards and mountains. Known for its mild climate and beautiful lakeside promenade, Montreux is a favorite destination for relaxation and culture. One of the highlights is the stunning Chillon Castle, a medieval fortress situated right on the lake. Montreux also hosts the famous Montreux Jazz Festival, attracting music lovers from around the world. Bern, the capital of Switzerland, is a charming and historic city built around a bend in the Ahr River. Its old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, filled with medieval buildings, arcaded streets, and iconic landmarks such as the Zigzag Clock Tower. Bern blends rich history with a laid-back atmosphere, offering visitors a chance to explore museums, markets, cafes, and riverfront spots. It's a city full of character and timeless beauty, and that brings us to the end of our journey through the 8 best places to visit in Switzerland. Whether you're dreaming of snow-covered mountains, crystal clear lakes, charming villages, or vibrant cities, Switzerland truly has something for every traveler. The Swiss Alps cover nearly 60% of Switzerland, creating natural barriers that isolate entire communities. Many villages sit thousands of meters above sea level, reachable only by narrow mountain roads or cable cars. During winter, heavy snowfall can cut off access for days or even weeks. Despite this isolation, these villages remain alive. Families have lived here for generations, adapting to extreme weather, steep terrain, and limited resources. For alpine farmers, isolation is not a disadvantage, it is a way of life. Alpine farmhouses are built to survive harsh mountain conditions. Made from thick wood and stone, these homes are designed to keep warmth inside during freezing winters. Animals often live under the same roof as the family, sharing heat and providing protection from predators. These houses are not modern or luxurious, but they are practical. Every design choice serves a purpose, from sloped roofs to prevent snow buildup, to small windows that conserve heat. Here, comfort is measured by safety and warmth, not by modern design. Daily life of Swiss mountain farmers. A farmer's day in the Alps begins before sunrise. Cows must be milked, animals fed, and barns cleaned regardless of weather conditions. Snowstorms, freezing winds, and steep slopes are part of daily routine. There are no shortcuts in mountain farming. Every task requires physical effort, patience, and experience passed down through generations. Farming here is not just a job, it is survival, responsibility, and tradition combined. Cattle farming is at the heart of alpine life. Swiss mountain farmers are famous for producing high-quality milk, butter, and world-renowned cheeses. During summer, cows are taken to high mountain pastures where fresh grass improves milk quality. Cheese production follows centuries-old methods. Many farmers still use wooden tools and traditional cellars to age their cheese naturally. This slow process creates flavors that cannot be replicated in factories. Seasonal migration to high pastures. One of the most unique traditions in the Swiss Alps is seasonal migration. In spring, farmers move livestock to higher pastures where grass is fresh and abundant. In autumn, animals return to the valleys before winter begins. This tradition is more than farming, it is a cultural celebration. Decorated cows, traditional clothing, and village gatherings mark these seasonal movements. It reflects harmony between humans, animals, and nature. Challenges of isolated life living in the Alps is not romantic every day. Isolation means limited access to hospitals, schools, and supplies. Emergencies during winter can be dangerous when roads are blocked by snow. Modern technology helps, but nature still controls life here. Farmers must be modern technology helps, but nature still controls life here. Farmers must be prepared for avalanches, landslides, and sudden weather changes. Despite these challenges, many choose to stay because the mountains are home. Prepared for avalanches, landslides, and sudden weather changes. Despite these challenges, many choose to stay because the mountains are home. The isolated farmers of the Swiss Alps live a life most of the world will never experience. Far from noise and crowds, they follow traditions shaped by mountains, seasons, and survival. What about finding